Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tanja's World. Y'all, we here doing a quick 1, 2, y'all. I have a few leftover wings from earlier. hmm hmm I think I want to say Miko told me about. Whoop, hold up. Now we back. Miko was the one who told me about. Um, yeah, and I know I keep saying. But y'all, this plate is just small. But I like this plate because it makes the presentation of the food look better. Because if y'all hear stuff going on in the background, that's Max. I gave him a treat too. Um, it makes the presentation of the food look better to me when the plate is full. But again, this is a small plate. But I'm not here to justify either way. Facts. This is the um, cheap version of the tahine, whatever y'all call that. I need to get some more. Uh, Well, maybe I don't need it. I don't know. Let's just taste. Let's just taste it like it is. Mm-hmm. It's my second salad. Again, I bought this lettuce to do tacos again, but as y'all can see, I haven't made it to the tacos yet. Mm-hmm. Ooh, yeah, I got clumsy hands today. Rest of my teeth from earlier. I get on some tea, but yeah, I keep buying this shredded lettuce. Think, oh, okay, I'm gonna do a taco. Mm-hmm. Pickles on the side. I got some turkey meat, onion, lettuce, tomato, cut up apple, carrot, a piece of chicken on the side. hmm And just FYI, like I was saying, I think Miko was the one who was telling me about this chicken from Walmart. And I got some today to do a review and did. hmm Oh, an egg is in here also. And I know mm, people be like, this is not a healthy salad. Okay. And I know they be meaning well. I had one sweetie. She was like, somebody was like, you need to go vegan. Who, Lord, y'all? I can't even wrap my mind around vegan, which is probably healthier, which I'm sure. But everything vegan ain't healthy either. I'm just saying. I don't feel there's a balance to everything. And we gotta crawl before we walk. Mm. Well, at least for me, in my world, I love me a fake bacon bit, baby. Don't come for me. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Y'all, let me tell you guys something. Let's talk about something. I had some protective coverings put over my vents on my house, right? This young cat did them. I didn't like them. I didn't like the size of them or anything. So I called a company and whatever, and come to find out, I was right. They do have a smaller size ones that he should have used, but they didn't have any. So he used what he had on his truck. And it's a no for me because I paid you good money. Okay. So anyway, two lessons here. Speak up. You understand what I'm saying? Use your voice. You have it for a reason, especially when you know you're right. Second of all, let me tell y'all something. So they put the order in, right, for the service tech to come back out. I already know. I knew for a fact that he ain't never going back on top of my roof. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You already showed me your true character. You give two F's. Okay? Moving on. I already told them, send me an older cat. Send the older cat back over here. Y'all ain't gonna experiment on me. Mm-mm. Not for my corns, but let's just stay focused. So anyway, it was like, yes, ma'am, we're gonna, send someone back out to redo it or whatever. So when it looked like I remember the name, and I was like, are you the one who originally installed? He was like, yes, ma'am. I said, oh, no, thank you. Sorry, but not sorry. No, thank you. I said, I will call and reschedule with someone else. Dead ass. I felt kind of bad, but not for real, though. Now, what's the point to my story today? My guy was scheduled to come back out, the older guy, but he didn't make it. So when I went on ahead and went to sleep because I had a doctor's appointment earlier. So I was tired from work or whatever. Anyway, stay focused. So long story short, when I got up and saw the text, he was like, yes, ma'am, I had to order the proper size that you need. And I said to myself, Okay, well, if y'all didn't have them and y'all had to order them, what in the heck? Was the other guy coming back out here to do? To finish effing it up? Y'all, sometimes these young people, I don't know. I'm like, take your time, get it right. I ain't in no rush. Mm. But it made me wonder, what was he coming back to do? I'm confused. My friend say coming back to finish effing up something. I said, obviously, I said, oh no. I never trust him back up on top of my house. That ain't what we doing. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, I was dumbfounded when I woke up and saw the message. I drizzled some vinegar over the salad too. Hmm. Got a little twang. Sometimes I do that or lemon. Hmm. Hmm. That red onion. No, listen at me. For the longest time, I used to judge people for putting fruit in their salad. I was like, ooh, but the apple in the salad or some sliced grapes. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Baby. Mm-mm. Excuse me. Hmm. Baby. I eat the bone, baby. Excuse me. I told you, y'all know I eat bone. I eat the bone. Don't be judging me. Judge kinfolk. Judge kinfolk. And y'all, I said that, and I guess one of the young people who was not used to really watching me or just started watching me, I said, y'all know how I be talking. But y'all know I be playing. And everything over here is in love. You know when I'm mad for real. You know when I'm serious. Mm? Y'all better let them know. Let the newbies know. Yeah. And thank you for all my newbies. Ooh. Y'all showing up. Y'all showing up. I was like, all of a sudden, I was like, oh, I tell people, at a guy, I was like, honey, I'm growing slowly but surely. I'm so thankful. Because without y'all, there is no me. And y'all, I stay in my lane. And let me just tell y'all something else. earlier, and I had some hot sauce up here earlier, and I put it over there. Anyway. This is just a regular chicken. I had a piece of... Anyway, I had that regular, and then y'all see I'm just eating it just by because it's seasoned. Walmart did that. I don't know if it's pre-seasoned or, but it was a sister back there that served me. Whether or not she seasoned, I don't. I'm gonna have to ask more questions. But baby, when I tell you, I haven't posted a video yet. Walmart and Converse is where I was at. No. Wait a minute. But back to what I was saying. I mean, the new babies, I think, maybe got offended about something I had said or the way that I had said. I said, honey, I was just, I be playing. When I'm mad, everybody know. When I'm feeling some kind of way for real, you know. Cause I let it rip, baby. Y'all get it raw over here. I tell you a minute, my channel is not for children. Facts. This ain't what you want. Not at all. I'm listening for Max too, cause Max be doing the most at times, and then I know he'll wait good till I'm online. I think I might give him the chicken bomb. Let me tell y'all something. I can't even give Max treats and stuff because Max get it twisted in his head real quick. Like if I get him to eat a chicken bone, Max won't want to eat his food for a couple days. I know. Mm-hmm. He gets twisted real fast, y'all. Because if you go in this room and pee, come on here. I can watch you. Come on. Come on here. Go in your cage. Excuse me, y'all. Mass be doing the most. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There's a lot mashed up until I'm finished eating. Because, again, like I said, mash it good. Come online and go do something. So I'm trying to be more mindful. So kind of like when I'm filming and whatever, if I know that my eye is not really on him, you got to be locked down until I'm finished. And that's just how it is over here. Because he done went back and licked another hole. I'm like, And y'all, I'm telling him, even though I can put carrots in the salad, I like having my carrots on the side. Mm-hmm. Oh, I had got regular chicken, and they have a ranch flavored chicken. Mmm. That ranch flavored one is seasoned. Seasoned to the gods. But you gotta like ranch. Mm-hmm. You have to like ranch in order to get down with it. I'm just eating up my crackers that I had open. Usually these be my tuna fish crackers. I don't know, I like eating certain crackers with certain things. Don't judge me. Mm-hmm. Usually, Mm-hmm. Mm. I may say him a bone or two. I don't know. But again, he gets it twisted in his head real bad. And him going to eat his food. I'm like, bro, I ain't finna cook nothing. So that part. Anyway, y'all, I don't know now. I don't hold y'all up. Mm-mm. So one or two more bites and I'm done. It was so good. I'm gonna come on here and tell y'all, hey, I miss y'all. Like always. Hope everyone is doing well. I send a love and light to everyone. Probably getting ready to go to my other channel. Y'all, if you're interested in energy reads, I have a second channel that is called TONJAS-WLD number 2, Tanja's World number 2, for a word of the day. Inspirational, daily, encouragement, all those things. It may be a word that you need to know or somebody else need to know. I'm just saying. If you're into that, check me out. If not, I appreciate your time here. All right? Y'all, if you're on the highway, be careful back and forth, right? Love yourself. Always love on someone else. And I'm going to see y'all next time.